Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you the process of painting my wheels on the Peugeot 206. For that, first of all, obviously we're gonna lift the car with a jack, leave it on a safety stance, loose the wheels. Next things we're gonna use is sanding paper to clean all the old paint and dents to make everything smooth and nice. Wheel cleaner to degrease the rim properly before painting. Some more carburetor cleaner, which maybe I'm gonna use as a heavy-duty degreaser just before painting. Then obviously the paint. This is a paint with a primer, 2-in-1, silver color, aluminum color, and then I'm gonna also clear coat it. And obviously I'm going to be masking everything that I don't want to be painted, such as the tire, bolts, and everything else. Let's go! Okay, so we got the first one off. Here it is. And now to the rear one. Now don't forget to lose your bolts a little bit before jacking out the car. Now, since the logo has such small details, I prefer to take it off, take the logo off, take the center cap off, and paint each one of them individually. Here we go. I'm gonna be sanding it, cleaning it, painting, and then I'm gonna glue it back. So now I'm gonna be cleaning them up before sanding. I'm gonna be use a wheel cleaner. You can use also carburetor spray because it doesn't matter. It will damage your paint, but it doesn't matter since you anyway sanding and painting it. Let's go. When it comes to painting your own wheels, some people will probably skip such parts as bolt holes and maybe the inner barrel, but I would definitely recommend to spend a little extra time on the details such as the inner barrel, the bolt holes, and your center caps. That's what really will make the difference. Next step, sanding. When it comes to masking, make sure you cover the tire or anything you don't want to paint really well. Be careful, take your time. next step is finally painting. I got myself this nice little chamber to just protect my working space from the wind, to keep away from any debris or sand, dust, you know, whatever. Now I'm gonna do final little clean with carbonator cleaner to make sure there is no dust or any grease. It's time for the final stage. After I think 4 or 5 layers of paint, I've waited for about 20 minutes to let it dry, and now it's time to clear coat it.